diagram of rigid bodies. The box here in figure 5-15a is used to turn the ball at A. If the wrench does not turn when the load is applied to the handle, determine the torque or moment applied by the ball and force of the wrench on the ball. So this is our diagram. We have a 300 millimeter and force going down na 52 mm. 30 hypotenuse, opposite 12 and the distance is 5. So we have a 400 millimeter and we have a force going down 30 and we have an angle of 60 degrees. So this is the free body diagram. We have a fixed support and we have a three components of fixed support. We have a AX, AY, and MA, moment of 4, moment of 8. We number the 300 mm to meter, 0.3 meter, and 0.4 meter. To get the summation of Fx equals to 0, going to the right is positive. We have an AX minus 52, 5 over 13 Newton, standard cosine 16 Newton. We have an AX, but our AX is 5.00 Newton. To get the summation of Fy, we have positive going upward and negative 52 times 12 over 13 Newton minus 30 sine 60 degree Newton. So we have our AY is 74.7. The summation on moment of A is equal to 0. Going counterclockwise positive, so our MA is minus 52 times 12 to the power of 3. We have a diameter of 0.3 minus 30 sine 60. We have the diameter of 0.7. We have a MA is equal to 32.6 mm. So to get the result of F is going to square root the Fx plus Fy. So we have a 5.00 squared plus 74.0 squared. We have a 74.1. Any question?
So where do we need to square the F?
Square the